Hi, we left the computer with this error here, and there's nothing better than just to walk away. In my case, it was necessary that I had to, right, do my job, right? So I had to leave it, and that's the solution. But then it hits you. We had to change so many things, and we did not do all the changes. We forgot to do some of the changes. So let's get, so I did a reboot. Remember that I said maybe we should just reboot. That was not the reason, but trust me, many times it will work for you, but not in this case. So the ArcoLinux app, I don't want that. Oh yeah, sorry, that's a good one. This one should go, that one should go, that one should go. Remember the ArcoLinux app, let's follow the string again. So I tested a lot of things. So in the meantime, so back to the way it was, ArcoLinux _ application, and this one as well, rename. I thought maybe it's that, right? Cancel. I'd like to have the ArcoLinux _ if possible, like so. Oh no, this means the package build needs to change as well. Undoing everything that I did. So from AA we go to ArcoLinux application. This launches that launches that, right? Then the desktop app is going to go for ArcoLinux app, that's still correct. Then we need to go to, and that's the one thing we forgot, right? This is what we forgot, the bulkhead actions. It's pointing to something as well here, and that's why we get this error. So ArcoLinux _ application. This is okay, yes. Package execute application app, that's okay. Anything else that could cause problems? I don't think so. ArcoLinux application pi. Yes, that's it, right? This is what we forgot. And then we start messing up everything because you think, what is this? It's that. If it's that, no. What and how, right? And then we should need to push this to the internet. This one, that's for later. And then we need to build it. That's important that we don't forget it. So the ArcoLinux app dev package build. Where are you? Here. Go here. So I've changed the name here as well. _ save. Everything is now _ okay. Was purely the bulkhead issue. Then I have messed up my code, probably in ways I now regret. So this one was working. I was messing with the code starting with 15, I think. And that's the advantage, right? You can of course go back inside git clone and all that, but this is bits and pieces. They're here, the bits and the pieces of 15. So 16 was an attempt. Releases. We can compare with 15, right? Change the pi name. That was not it. Then from 15 to 14 I went for this. This might still be necessary. And then we went to this. So we thought it was the issue of the import sequence, so the order of things. and that can be one of the reasons, but was not the reason now. So I wonder how to be sure that what I have now is still. I think we better download number 15. 16 we know what it is. It's just one line. I say it and I click something else, and then it says this one. Open it up just to be sure. Create extract here. Then, well, let's put you here. Super F5. I have already a comparison, so I can reuse it. So this is the ArcoLinux App dev user, and on the other end I'm gonna put number 15. Okay, that's all it is. Really? Then I have not messed it up that bad. Guess so. I doubt myself. How many things do I have? Downloads 12, 13, 14, 15, then I've got them all. Extract here, and 16, if we're busy, then we're busy. So 16, come. This is the last time today, right? It is. Has to be working now. Extract here. So, the difference between what we have now and we used to have. This is the culprit. This is the culprit, right? And it's underscore back. And then 14 is this, because I want to rule out something. I want to rule out something. This is just that line, okay. And this one, we know what it is, that's the underscore. Then number 13, lucky number 13 there. I guess this is where we started changing things. Now, as long as it works, I don't care. Oh yeah, look at that, he changed it around. Okay, so that's only at the top. Same here. Let's see, import date time, yes. Shuttle, yes. Was imported, yes. I remove there is there, make there is there, list there is there, yes. And then the path clip is also there. So the only thing is now the little bit difference in lines, and we know what this is. That was the last one, huh? With 12. I don't have 11. So this should be it. I don't believe it is, but this should be it. We put you number 1. So let's check again. Think like a computer. Actually, there's the desktop we should check, this one. So think like a computer, you launch user bin ArcoLinux app, it exists, it will launch ArcoLinux underscore application pi. which is now referenced in Polkit as ArcoLinux application with an underscore. This is correct, I think. And then we have the ArcoLinux application pi, functions pi. So right mouse click can rearrange the sort inputs, so he does it automatically. I'm gonna keep it as is. I'll see. Now we should do it. Try it. Sort imports. Everything messed up again. Eric, why are you living dangerously? Right. Sort imports. Save. Let's see. First of all, we need to, shouldn't have done that, but first of all we need to go to testing. If it doesn't work here, certainly it will not work later on. So first of all, sudo python and then ArcoLinux application with an underscore. That's working, and then we apply the best servers, right? So we got all this information. What's that? What's that doing there? Let's look. That's a bad copy paste, I think. So in here, Control find, no, in here, Control find. So let's install the ArcoLinux keys and mirrors. That's not okay. It's not okay. That's a bad copy paste. Done. Good that we catched it, called it. I know. Fix keys. Nothing to do. I'm reading the texts. We should also have a look at file system. Var log ArcoLinux app. Wow. This one. So let's change the ArcoLinux keyring, change the content. Let's fix the keys of ArcoLinux twice. So we better check that out. That's no. Let's fix. Let's fix twice. Indeed. Too much of a thing. Save. What errors will we find again? So what can I do safely here? That's something we can't do. I will move you to my other screen. Bye. And this one we close. This I can do, that we've done. This I can do, we've done that. Install Nemesis. We can do this as well. We save the scripts. Yep, it's on the other end. We get 2 lines in the log file. And clean the cache, we can do that as well. Let's clean the Pacman cache and then Pacman cache cleaned. So what we see here, we see on the log on the other end. Right, this. So the logging works. I better make a new package for it. Then the rest I'll test on the real metal thing. So, well, first of all, this, what did we do? So that was the issue here. It's a little bit difficult to see. This one. Down here, the underscore. And can't we make this a bit different? Yeah, better. So full screen, you see what's going on. So again, we switch from an ArcoLinux application one word to a underscore here. That's why it's all white, red and white. We'll see if this worked. Well, it did work, but let's see if it works. But that's the culprit, right? Remember the PK execute. So The tip of the day is walk away from time to time, and then you realize, oh, we forgot something. So pk exec polkit with underscore. That was the reason. That was the reason. So that's online. Before putting something online, we need to be here. Other tabs. You see, your workflow is interesting. Eh? Otherwise, you have to click and click, and otherwise you just go to the next and the next and the next tab. You always think it's not necessary, but no. Then you say, I should have done that in a workflow. So that's that. It's number 17, the other screen. And now we build it. Sure. And then the next one. There he is. The next one is the repo. Let's see. And then the next one. Number 17. Now work. I will throw you out of the window. Right? That's a good feeling. All the rest we'll test later on. So with that said, we should, I think it's, well, let's test it first before we put it in the app. But what we can do always is put it, use this to compare and to see, to see what we've done, and don't build anything. But you use it as a developer to say, oh yeah, so this and that, ArcoLinux App, this changed, the underscore, that's something we also learned. A minus is not okay, a hyphen, but that is. So that's exactly the same thing, eh? No? Yeah. Sure. Are we sure? No, we're not sure. LL AA points to ArcoLinux App. That's one way of checking it. And the other way of checking is in going to properties and look where it goes to. Where was that? I thought here. I thought there was more information. So LL it is. So this one, yeah, we can't compare because of the minus and the underscore, but we can do the functions. So basically it's still the same thing, plus the run script alacrity and the whole thing and the logging. So sure. So this is how you can go and compare. Copy to the left. I'll do just a copy now and delete, and that's the culprit. Underscore. Yeah, I recognize the message, but then what was it again, right? If you can't recall, it doesn't help. Let's start again later on with the correct workflow, and then we do ArcoLinux App. So this one goes online, but I will not build anything yet. So everything stays the same for the end users until I say the app dev works, and then we build it. PK, exec pull kit, and more, right? The details are in the other one. And that's what we've done. Logging as well. Okay. That's it for me, because videos take a while, and this was our solution. So we found it by walking away. Remember that. Cheers.